The number of the plate vehicle which was used for the EcoBank armed robbery this afternoon in Bulawayo has been revealed as AGP 2333. The authenticity of the registration cannot, however, be immediately verified. Police have since confirmed that the robbers got away with $4 million United States dollars. The six masked suspects got away in a white Ford Ranger that was pictured by onlookers loading the loot at the corner of 9th Avenue and 5th Street. According to bank employees who spoke on condition of anonymity, the money was being taken to Harare by Safeguard Security. Our correspondent Andile Chuma was at the scene earlier.
So there was a very dramatic turn of events this afternoon when a gang of 6 armed robbers pounced at the EcoBank branch at corner 9th Avenue and 5th Street, just here behind me. So they made off with approximately $4 million United States dollars. We have been in communication with the National Police spokesperson, Commissioner Paul Nyati, who said that they are investigating the matter, but are suspecting that this could have been a case of an inside job, as their preliminary investigations point to someone who had some intel or some inside information. So what happened is that this gang knew that there was some money that had to be taken by a cash and transit vehicle belonging to Safeguard, and they made off with that money as they managed to disarm the security guards who were here, and they made off with that money. So the money was coming from the bank and it was supposed to be taken to Harare, I think, through the central bank. So this is what we are hearing from eyewitness accounts and also from some of the bank employees who have since requested anonymity. So according to those people who were here first, we managed to get here about 5 minutes into the incident. However, the robbers were very fast. They were in and out in less than 5 minutes and they were gone. However, it is a bit concerning that they went in one direction and the cash and transit vehicle followed in a different direction. But police from the Criminal Investigative Department Homicide Squad were here in no time, and they were also working, and we couldn't get much from them as they are not able to speak to the press. But from side interviews and from watching them work and speak to people, we could piece together some pieces of information, and we do hope that they are going to be able to apprehend the suspects.
We are now joined live by National Police spokesperson Commissioner Paul Nyati to give us the latest on the robbery. Good evening, Commissioner. Do you have any leads on the heist that took place in Bulawayo today?
The Zimbabwe Public Police confirms the said incident which occurred late this afternoon, where 6 suspects are alleged to have approached a cash in transit security van at a financial institution that is corner 9th Avenue and 5th Street, Bulawayo. In the process, they took away 4 trucks, which allegedly contained US $4 million cash, and then went away after taking 2 pistols and a shotgun from the suspects. As we speak, the police is currently on the trails of investigations, and we will be releasing more details in due course. What is said is that the way this case occurred, the manner in which this case took place, clearly shows an element of inside information or a leakage of information, or of the involvement of people who are close to either the security company or the financial institution.
This is not the first heist that we have witnessed in Zimbabwe. What measures do you recommend these cash in transit companies should take to prevent such incidents?
We have always engaged the security companies and the financial institutions on what measures should be put in place in terms of how to conduct their financial transactions, on how to conduct cash movement. And we will continue to do so. But we also want companies to be very proactive in terms of how they handle large sums of money, and also the people whom they assign to do such duties. In this case, we are appealing for the public to give us information, because obviously out there's somebody who knows what happened. There's somebody who knows how information was exchanging hands. So definitely I want to assure Zimbabweans, the law will take its course without fear or fear.
Can you give us an update on the firearms amnesty?
Remember, the operation ran from the 1st of September to the 30th of September, where His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, President Dr. Idi Mnangagwa, extended an amnesty where anyone who was in possession of any firearm or ammunition which was not properly acquired or which was not regularized, to voluntarily surrender that firearm without any questions being asked by the police. And now that the window is closed, it closed on the 30th of September, we are now going to conduct an operation to ensure that anyone who is in possession of a firearm in the country, that firearm was acquired in terms of the country's laws, in terms of the Firearms Act. And the response was very moderate, where we had 69 firearms being surrendered. So that's why we are saying we will conduct this operation, and anyone who did not take heed will certainly have himself or herself to blame.
Thank you, Commissioner, for that update.
Konapo, ipapo, ba ZTN Prime, DSTV channel 294, the place to be.